Welcome to our channel. If you need to activate an expense card at Kroger, follow this quick guide to prepare your card for business purchases at Kroger stores. Step 1. Ensure you have your new expense card with you before going to Kroger. Check that you've received all the necessary documentation, including activation instructions from your employer or card issuer. Step 2. Visit your local Kroger store and proceed to the customer service desk. The customer service representatives are trained to help with card activation and related services. Step 3. Inform the customer service representative that you need to activate your expense card. They will guide you through the specific activation process required for your card type. Step 4. Provide your expense card to the representative. They may need to swipe or scan it to initiate the activation process in their system. Step 5. Have valid identification ready, such as a driver's license or employee ID, as the representative may need to verify your identity before activating the card. Step 6. If required, you may need to call an activation phone number while at the store. The customer service representative can provide you with the phone number and help you through the call if needed. Step 7. Follow any additional instructions provided by the customer service representative or the automated phone system if calling an activation line. This may include entering your card number and creating a PIN. Step 8. Once the activation is confirmed, test your expense card by making a small purchase at Kroger to ensure it's working correctly. Keep your receipt and any confirmation numbers provided during the activation process for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.